Okay guys, this is Cruise Roy with the Spark, and we're going to do a little high wind test. We'll see if we get the big giant winds that I just had a minute ago trying to fly. Alright, let's give it a try. Just to show you, this little guy handles pretty good. But I do recommend you put it in sport mode. Okay, right now I'm in regular mode, and if you get high winds, I'm only at 22 feet. If you get high winds, she will drift on her own and crash into a tree. I'm inside of a little pocket here. So let me bring it up into the high wind area. Now this is just a test, okay? If you notice, she's holding, but she's actually moving. And you can actually watch your map that it is moving. And when the wind gets higher, it's just going to completely... So it's also going to use up a lot of batteries while it's trying to fight itself. Alright, trying to wait for a good gust here. We've been getting like these anywhere from 25 to 40 mile an hour, just gusts. The trees lean over. Nature's way of getting rid of a few leaves on the trees. But right now I'm in regular mode. That's full left. The wind's coming to the right. Am I getting a wind warning? No, I'm getting a low battery warning. But I still have time. You can hear the wind coming. See how the, look at the Spark. Put it in the sport mode. Let's move it. If you're not in sport mode, she will drift into a tree. Got some real high wind up there. I'm going to put it back in regular mode. The camera won't move on low battery. But this is just a test. And I would recommend you, see how you hear the gusts coming? See the Spark? I'm not touching anything. Put it into sport mode. Okay, that was scary enough. I gotta bring it down. She's eating up battery quick. I still have it in sport mode.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
I don't want it to go to the home point in 10 seconds. I want it to come over here and land.